Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you'll get to know how to connect Google Maps to car Bluetooth. It's pretty easy. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Head over to your Google Maps. Make sure you are logged in into your current account and locate your location first and then head over to Bluetooth. Turn on your Bluetooth. Once you do it, your Bluetooth will search for your car Bluetooth and it will try to pair up. So you must look for your car Bluetooth channel and just click on it and add to pair it. And once you have paired your car Bluetooth account with your phone's Google Maps, once you have connected your phone with your car's Bluetooth, you will get your Google Maps connected automatically. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.